Good evening. Welcome again.
I'm Mike Stanzel from Edgewood, Washington. Decency, security, and liberty alike demand that government officials shall be subjected to the same rules of conduct that are commands to the citizen. In a government of laws, existence of the government will be imperiled if it fails to observe the law scrupulously. Our government is the potent, omnipresent teacher. For good or for ill, it teaches the whole people by its example. Crime is contagious. If the government becomes a lawbreaker, it breeds contempt for the law. It invites every man to become a law unto himself. It invites anarchy. Supreme Court Justice Louis Dembitz-Brandis wrote that. So I need to ask some questions here. I think you're aware of some of the problems I'm having with the hearings examiner's office. What is the reason the hearings examiner can't make a ruling within 10 days according to Pierce County Code? I've been waiting 25 business days now, and Plexus Investments has been waiting for over 75 days. Does the law apply to the Pierce County hearings examiner? What is the reason Public Works has allowed Puyallup to operate a water utility in Pierce County without a water system plan for the last 4 years? What is the reason it has taken me over 3 years to get a water availability letter with no end in sight? What is the reason the putt-putt guy has to spend so far $14,000 in attorney fees to enforce a service area that Pierce County Department of Health has established with Puyallup? What is the reason the city of Puyallup thinks that it can require an owner to waive any right to free speech guaranteed by the constitutions of the United States and the state of Washington that may be implicated by a pre-annexation agreement to annexation? By signing this agreement, the owner acknowledges it has read this section, understands this section, and such a waiver is entered in a knowing, intelligent, and voluntary manner. What is the reason Puyallup thinks that it can require an owner, whenever so requested, to actively promote a local improvement district and shall not act or speak in any manner to avoid the local improvement district or cause others to avoid or reject the local improvement district? What is the reason Puyallup can, by accepting terms of this agreement, grant to the city an irrevocable power of attorney to execute any local improvement district documents on the owner's behalf as may be required or necessary to complete, initiate, or enforce a local improvement district? What is the reason Puyallup requires an owner to agree to waive any right to free speech guaranteed by the constitutions of the United States that may be in the state of Washington that may be implicated by this agreement to participate in the local improvement district?
Thank you, Mr. Stanzel. Your time has expired. Anyone else? Your time has expired.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you. Is there anyone else that would like to address the council at this time on anything that was not on the agenda?